Hey guys, here to show you two of my knives. They're both Swiss Army, well, not that one. But this one, my brother put tape on the red, and then spray painted blue. But you have to take off this to do it so that you don't get any spray paint or paint on the metal. It's Swiss Army. I like that little screwdriver. It's all on that side. Okay. That knife. It's pretty sharp. Bottle opener. Yeah. And I think this is. Oh yeah. One more. I think that's the last one. But I'm not sure. So open. It looks like this. I think a lot of people have these. I'm not a big fan. Dang it, I've broken it off. I'm not a big fan of knives, but I like Swiss Army. Butterfly knives aren't really me, but alright, but I have to use my mouth. That yeah, this is pretty common. The broken nail. There's it all open. Wait, I think. Got another one. There. There's it all open finally. And then other one here. Close that. There's that. Here's this. I wrote my name on it. My first and my last. But it was just pink, so it didn't stay on that long. I think I'm just gonna do it black. This are pretty common. It's not Swiss Army. I wish it was. Oh, I think that's all. That's all it is. But I like it. It's a nice pocket knife. It did. This was Jackson. Have a toothpick and like. Yes, I don't. It's just a toothpick and tweezers. And I do have a Swiss Army knife, the little ones, not this size. But those are really common, and I can't find it right now, which I will find. But you know, that's really common, and so there's not really much of a point making a video on it, but I will make a video on it eventually, I bet. But, oh yeah. This, I broke my needle all the time. Does have those two. I can't see it very well. But it's a toothpick and pieces, which I can't get out. I don't know why though. But I can't get them out. Jackson can obviously, but I can't. But yeah, I just wanted to show you some of my knives. I'm getting more into knives, so I don't like really butterfly knives. I like more simple knives like these I'm only like Swiss Army knives. I do really like this one, but it's not my favorite. I don't think I'm gonna start collecting, but I am going to go get. I am gonna get more. I looked on eBay and I found this really cool tie-dye little Swiss Army knife sword that I like. Um, I have a green one. It's see-through green. I like the see-through ones more. The dark ones aren't really my favorite, but I like the one I got. I got it at Jack's and don't really like that store, but I thought, well, I'm there, I better get something. That's my real life. But I did have one of those tiny butterfly knives that I really liked, but those are tiny and I kind of lost it. But Jackson has more, so he'll probably give me one. And then I did have this one. I had it up in my bed. It was like this, except for blue and way nicer. But I had it up in my room, so it wasn't really my fault. Um, so I lost that one, but I can always get another one. Those ones aren't very expensive. Um, and there's also eBay and a bunch of other ones. Um, I probably will be making more knife videos because I'm getting more into them. Not saying that I am really into them, but yeah, I am getting more into them. Um, Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Tell everyone about my videos, and I hope you like it. Bye.